Well, I haven't been to the dentist for ages, so it's time for me now to try this Polished London Teeth Whitening Kit. You start with a shade guide, which you put your teeth against and find out where you start, and then you can monitor how much it's whitening your teeth. So I think I'm around about sort of 4 or 5. Then you make sure you've rinsed your mouth with water. And after you've done it, you're not allowed to eat or drink anything for half an hour, so make sure you get your cup of tea beforehand. So you'll have your teeth whitening gel. You break off the cap and then you'll put a little bit in here. And this gadget has 2 lights. It has the blue light for ultra whitening, and then the blue and red option, which is oral hygiene and whitening. Now, saliva can dilute this formula. So when I'm using anything like a whitening gel, I tend to just dry out my teeth a bit first, and then I'll put it in. So once you've snapped the end of the gel, you just squeeze a little bit into there, the top and the bottom, because you do the top and the bottom teeth simultaneously. And then you place it into the mouth. Ah. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. I want to rinse out my mouth. Excuse me. So that's the first session. They recommend you do it every day for 14 days. Don't eat or drink anything afterwards for a good half an hour. I also like the oral hygiene gadget to sterilise the teeth, which I think is useful. So whether you decide to go for accelerated whitening, which is the blue light, or the blue and red light, which is oral hygiene and whitening, it's got a self-timer, so it turns itself off automatically when you've done the right amount. It also comes with this little neat USB lead, which has this little magnet heart on the bottom, and you just charge it. Also, when you do take off your cap of the gel, make sure you keep the bit you snap off, because that goes back in to keep the gel nice and fresh. The thing you can't whiten is crowns, veneers, bridges, fill-ins, any of that, just natural teeth. My concern actually was that the gum shield isn't designed to fit your actual teeth. It's a generic shape, but it seems to be okay. It seems to get the gel in contact, and the light obviously works too. So looking forward to the next 13 days.